السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. معكم المعلم المتميز أشرف أمين المنين من مدرسة زيد بن حارثة الثانوية الشاملة للبنين من مديرية التربية والتعليم للواء مالك. زملائي المعلمين، أولياء الأمور الكرام، في هذا الفيديو إن شاء الله تعالى راح نتعرف على طريقة بسيطة ومتميزة بنمكن فيها أبنائنا الطلبة من اللفظ السليم والتفريق بين صوتين متشابهين من أصوات العلة VOWEL SOUNDS. خلينا نبدأ على بركة الله تعالى بتطبيق عملي مع مجموعة من أبنائنا من طلاب الصف التاسع. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
So let's get started. Now here we have two vowel sounds, okay? And we are going to know their correct pronunciation, okay? Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now the first sound that we have here is a. 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 Okay, Ahab? Good. 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 Excellent. Good. If you notice that your mouth opens and closes quickly, yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you have to open your mouth a little bit. Okay, guys. Now let's move to the second sound that we have here, which is, listen. R. Yes, Bahab. Good. Thank you. Good. Yes. Yes. Now, if you notice that your mouth is like the O sound at the beginning, now O sound, O sound, then you drop your mouth open. So your mouth is loose and open. Okay? Look here. Okay? Fine?
Fine.
Good. Okay, guys, now let's have another examples. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now listen carefully, then repeat. Fine?
Fine.
Good. This word, look here. Cat.
Cat.
Good. Look here. Down.
Down.
Good. Sack.
Sack.
Good. Hat.
Hat.
Good. Cats.
Cats.
Good. Now let's move here. Buck.
Buck.
Good. Cart.
Cart.
Good. Sock.
Sock.
Good. Cups.
Cups.
Good. Thank you. Hot.
Hot.
Good. Thank you, guys. Now, Sad, I need you to match the word bug with its picture.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Good. And Ihab, I need you to match the word, listen, cat with its picture. Yes, thank you. Yahya, I need you to match the word da with its picture. Yes, thank you. Sa'ad, I need you to match the word cups with its picture.
Cups.
Yes, good. And Baha, I need you to match the word, listen, hat to its picture. Yes. Can you reach it? I'll help you. Here or here? Yes, thank you. Good. Thank you so much. Karim, you have to match the word sack with its picture. Listen, sack. Good. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.